$5 per hour up to $100 per hour as well, as per your skill sets. Hello guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, there are hundreds of ways to earn money online, but these ways are the latest and authentic ones that I am going to share with you today to earn money online. So let's start. So number one is take interviews and earn money. So big companies, what they do is they outsource their interview taking process, and they want someone who can take interviews for the vacancies they have with their companies, right? So all you need to do is you need to get yourself enrolled in websites who are looking for interviewers for them, right? And companies like Interview, then Hire Hunch, Recruiter wants freelancers who can do this job. So you can just go and enroll yourself. So you can charge anywhere between $5 per hour up to $100 per hour as well, as per your skill sets. So you can see in Upwork, hundreds of people are actually charging as per the skill sets. So yes, why not you? Just go ahead, build your profile and start working on it. So the next one is become a contributor. So every content creator needs stock images or videos for their own content, right? So here you can reach out to the websites and upload your own content, video content, any vectors or anything that you are creating, and become a contributor on their website, right? So when anyone downloads any of your videos or any of your content, you will get paid accordingly as per the downloads. Now platforms like iStocks, Pexels, Pixabay, Freepik and hundreds of other websites, you can get yourself as a contributor and can sell your stocks and earn money online. So you can see here the website of iStock as an example, where you can earn up to the commission of every downloads. The targets are given, so approximately between 15% up to 45% is the bare minimum you can earn, depending upon the quality of work and the number of downloads you are getting. Next one is app tester. So an app tester actually is involved into testing mobile application for bugs, then usability issues and the overall functionality. So your responsibility may include in identifying the glitches, then providing feedback on the user experiences and ensuring the app meets the quality standards, right? So as a fresher, as an app tester, you can earn anywhere between minimum $5 per hour per project. And yes, you can see again on Upwork, a lot of people have actually added their profiles, and they are earning up to rupees $100, $80 per project per hour as well. Finally guys, I hope you liked some less unexplored ways to earn money online. So share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It motivates me. Thank you. Have a great day.